Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of PNC Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a pncbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of PNC Bank, you can see the option of sign on top right of the screen. You click on sign on. Here you will see the login form page where you need to provide your user ID, then password, and click on login where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of PNC Bank. As we are going to recover our online banking account password of PNC Bank, we will click on the link given below, that is forgot ID or password. You click on it. To reset your password, you need to click on Start Reset Password. For the resetting of the password, you need to provide the following details, that is your online banking user ID. Then you provide your social security number or tax identification number that lasts for 4 digits. Then you provide your full PNC account number. Here you also can use your debit card, credit card, checking, savings, loan or investment account number. After you provide all the details, you need to click on next where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided where you will be able to reset your password. This is how you can recover your online banking account password of PNC Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account password of PNC Bank. Thank you.